Welcome back to the homestead, everyone. Welcome back to our orchard. We're here in front of our beautiful Warren pear tree. We're going to be talking about two simple rules about how and when to pick pears. So a really important part of understanding when to pick your pears is understanding pears themselves. Pears are a unique fruit. They do not ripen on the tree. They ripen off the tree. And that is really important to know, because if you let a pear fully mature and then ripen on the tree, pears ripen from the inside of the fruit outward. So if you let a pear ripen on this tree and you pick it, it is going to be completely mushy and mealy and overripe and inedible. So you must pick your pears when they mature, but not when they're ripe. They need to ripen indoors in temperatures between 55 and 75 degrees. And the ripening time for each pear is different. So make sure you understand what variety you have. It can range from either 4 days to 10 days. So Anjou pears ripen at the most 10 days, and some of your other varieties like Bartlett's can ripen in about 4 days in the proper environment inside. So these Warren pears take about 6 days to ripen, and then they're beautiful. So we want to get these off the tree now. We know that they are mature by this fruit drop. Fruit drop can happen for many different reasons, but when your tree looks as though the fruit are starting to ripen, and these Warren pears get this nice reddish hue to them, they will start to drop off. You can tell if they're still good as if they're still hard, and there's really no other type of damage. You can't see anything else going on with the tree, like a lack of water because of fruit drop, or lack of nutrients, all the other reasons fruit trees drop fruit. This one is in a perfect stage right now. We are in late July to early August. Right now we're in late July, so that window for picking pears is late July through, say, mid-August. Here in zone 8B, that can be a little bit earlier depending on how your season's gone, but right now these are perfect to get off the tree. So let's get these pears off the tree. We're going to get them inside and we're going to start to ripen them. Make sure you check the fruit that has fallen off the tree to see if it's still viable, and most of these are. They're still hard, they're mature because they dropped, and there is no bug damage. So don't leave these to go to waste because they are good fruit still. Hey, a quick reminder, if you haven't hit that subscribe button down below, go ahead and do so. We'd love to have you here on a permanent basis with us here all the time, because we're doing some great stuff here on our homestead, and we think all that information is going to be really valuable to you. So go do that, and also go visit us on our website, countrylivingexperience.com. We got a blog, tool store, everything over there also. All right, back to the video. If you're unsure if all the fruit is mature, take a nice sampling of the fruit and take it inside and ripen it. Let the rest of the fruit sit on the tree for maybe another week and check it again. But be careful, you don't want to let it start to get into that overripe stage and get mushy and mealy. It's just not pleasant for a pear. You want that buttery, smooth, creamy, awesome pear texture, especially for these Warren pears, because that's how they are. They have a really buttery texture to them, and you don't want that to ruin that. So if you're out there and you're just unsure, leave them for another week. Make sure you're always checking them though. Don't let them go too far. It's really easy to harvest these guys. Just give them a gentle twist and they'll come right off. If they aren't mature, they're not going to come off very easily. You can see I just barely twisted that one and it popped right off because these are nice and mature. But if they don't come off, leave them on the tree for that extra week. Thanks for being with us, and if you found the information helpful, leave us a comment in the comment section below, give us that thumbs up, and share it on social media with your friends. It helps us out a lot. Also, like we said before, we want you here with us on a permanent basis. So hit that subscribe button. Stick around with us on our homestead. We got a lot of great things going on. Also, go visit us on our website. Like I said before, we got a cool tool store over there with tools we recommend using. And also, we write a blog. So thank you. Have a great day. And we'll see you next week.